Unsa may ato, sir? Sir, unsa ato? Hey guys, good morning. So welcome to another video. I guess this is an empty house tour. So we are here in Sibulan right now, and ito magiging bahay namin for the meantime. So yeah, this is gonna be our home for maybe 1 or 2 years. So very empty. So when you open, diretso na ka. So wala pa, this is very empty. Diretso ka na dyan. And then this is the room. Ayan, those are our things na wala pang lalagyan. And this is the whole room. Really good for two only. And then ito lang kasama sa rent. And so that would be the dining table. And then over there, I think we're going to put a table there for our office, husband and my office. And then I think in here, if makakabili na ng ref, so dyan ilalagay. And then this is the kitchen, the sink. I think maybe dyan sa vacant na slot dyan kami maglalagay ng something like maybe table para patungan ng lutuan. So this is the whole kitchen. I like it naman kasi meron pa siyang merong madaming shelves na pwedeng mapaglagyan ng ng mga things. And then the CR, quite spacious din ang banyo, ang CR nila. So yeah, we'll see kung anong mailalagay namin dito. Ang problema, kay pating taas sa mga shelf. Dungagan may quick shelf, mo pumalab kay ay kina. Grabe, kung kapag may laban, hindi dumagal, gusto siya kung this is for tall people. So,
pakuan namin na po. Hindi nakakapag.
ha? Ang hangyo nga.
Pakuan na.